welcome. I just want to show you how I make my thumbnails really quick. And put the mic a little closer. There. And I'll get also later to why I haven't been uploading. It's nothing too serious. It's just my own, like, what I feel like was right. So, yep. We're in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how I create my thumbnails. So you could either choose 2560 by 1440 or 1920 by 1080. I would choose this just because you'll probably get higher quality. It shouldn't make a difference though. You're not gonna see a big difference, but I just choose this. Make sure the orientation is on this. Just show these settings right here, and yeah. Just depending on what laptop or computer or whatever you're using for this. This might be different right here. I don't know what this really is though. Same with that too. That shouldn't matter. Most of this should be a preset. All you would have to do is say it's just at its regular 1920 by 1080. All you'd have to do is do this. Just change this to 1440. It's 250/60, and yeah, that's really it. So let's go right into creating it. So you have your little template thing right here, and here, let me just pull a file. This is a picture from like Replay. You could use whatever picture you want. This could be for any game you want, but this, if you watched my other video or just saw the thumbnail, you would recognize this. It says like Fortnite Montage 11 or whatever. So here, I actually have this. No, wrong file. Okay. There. I have this preset right here. Actually, here. I need to get that. Okay, so I have this preset here. I just drop it in. Already fixed the right size, 2560 by 1440. And that's usually how I do it. But for this, I don't. You guys might not know how to make that preset, so I won't show you how to make the preset in this video. If you guys want to see part 2 on how to make the preset or something, then just tell me in the comments below. So take that out right now. So let's start off with the this. So we don't want any fill, but we do want a stroke, and we're gonna make that white. Oops. Okay. So this is gonna be. We can make it about like this, because we're not gonna have anything. And then you could just. Okay, this needs to cooperate. Right now, I haven't used this in a while, so yeah, I'm a little rusty. Here, make this a little bit bigger. It makes things a little bit easier. And then, if you want to move it, because that's way off, get it till it's about right. If that looks good to you, then yeah. Here, I think we need to do. I think that's about right. Okay. And okay, so that's the little outer rectangle that I have. And then say you want to add like a little logo corner. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Take your pen tool. It should be pen tool. Make sure it's none of these, because none of these should really they won't work really. And then just create like a shape like that. Oh, and you'll probably want to do that there. And then just go here, and if you would like to move that, say right about there. And then yeah, as you can see, just a little rectangle. Nobody will see this outer part right here, so don't worry about that. And yeah, that's mainly that. And if you want to drop in a little logo, let's see. So here's this logo. Make it to right about the size, and then you can see the little, if you see a little box around your logo, and you want to do that, but how I do it, okay, so I have my layer there, and you want to go to, this is an easy way to do it, not the professional way, and you want to just, oh, you probably want to set the tolerance to like 10. Okay, maybe a little bit more. So 30. And then maybe you just want to do this real quick, just to make sure that all is going well over here while trimming your logo. So just go here. Boom. Oh. Well, I just want to say congratulations to myself. This should work. Yeah, that's gonna pop up. So what we're gonna do is go to layer, go to smart objects, and oh wait, I think eraser, guys. Shoot, I'm so sorry, guys. I completely forgot to do this. It should be here. I think it's raster. Yeah, it's rasterize. Then boom. And then just set this to 100%. And boom, you got your logo. Or whatever. Yeah, that's just gonna pop up. That won't pop up in the video. I mean, the thumbnail. But okay. So this is just gonna be my live stream thumbnail. So, and then you have that actually in here. Here you want to make some triangles maybe? Oh, remove this 0 and then make that white. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how to make the triangle, but I don't want to copy it because that's gonna waste a lot of time. So, and then Command T if you want to, like, you should be able to move it. Okay, I don't know why it's not letting me, but if it's doing the same thing, you should be able to go to transform. But something's messed up here. Okay, sorry guys. I seriously don't know what's going on. This is so annoying. This literally doesn't happen until now. So yeah, you just make the triangle, then press Command T or Control T if you aren't on Windows, but I'm on Mac right now. So yeah, and that's that. Just make and then you could press Control C and Control V, or Command C and Command V. The Command C, Command V, Mac. Control C, Control V is Windows or other platforms. So. But mainly for the text, I just use whatever text. I personally, for my live stream ones, I go with CC Monster Mash, and then bring this up to like 300, I'd say, and then put and then add your effects to it first. I mean, there are already ones that like go the best with it. I usually edit them, but I'm running a little low because I don't want this video to be super long. So yeah. And then actually we might want to make that outer glow just a little bit bigger. Not too big though. And then that drop shadow, add a little bit of spread, a little bit of size. There. And then Command C, Command V, or Control C, Control V, and then and I usually keep them all caps. And you could choose any font you want for this. You can go any like size text you want, really. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's just I usually go actually like 350, just so it's a little more, just pops out a little bit more. And that's really it, guys. I mean, obviously, if we just, let's go over here and drop this in. And boom. There you go. That's what it looks like without with the preset. That's what it is without. So if you just add those triangles, it's gonna make it pop out a little bit more. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Actually, no, I do want to talk about one other thing. Why haven't I been uploading? I decided to take a little break from video games, and also I haven't been able to talk to Debris in a while too. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like it was right to just take a little break, you know, just relax a little bit, you know, of like just from video games, because I just had state testing too, so I feel like that's right a little bit. So I hope you guys understand. Soon I'll return to uploading games and stuff. It's just, I mean, it'll take a little longer to take the break, but once I feel like it's right to start going again, then or playing again, then I'm gonna definitely start streaming. Yeah, thank you guys as always for the support. I hope that you guys understand. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day or night, and peace.